How to make AI powered slides in Claude AI with Gamma. So here I am in the Claude AI website. I'm logged in, and what you're gonna need to do is click this plus icon, go to connectors, add connector, and then in search connectors type in Gamma. Here it is. Create presentations, docs, socials, and sites with AI. So let's click plus here. And now it's gonna prompt you to log into Gamma. So let's log in. So here I am. I told Claude AI to make a short Gamma presentation about whatever. So if you guys get the same connection / authorization error that I'm getting, simply click this plus icon, go to connectors and manage connectors. From here, find Gamma, then click always allow and always allow. Now let's go back and then tell it, try now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.